Good evening. My name is Haripriya. I'm a third year integrated MTech student at IIIT Bangalore. Today I'm going to give a demonstration of an application developed by my classmate Prerit and myself as a part of the software engineering course during the semester spring 2015. The application we developed is called Attendometer. It's built on Android platform and we used Pass for backend. So we're going to start the demonstration with the registration page. So when you click on register, it opens the registration page which asks for basic details of the user such as first name, last name, etc. So we given an existing email ID. And a password. So there are two different kinds of users that can use this particular application, a student or a professor. So in the drop down, you're going to select which kind of a user you are. So if I select student and I hit on register, it just adds the user to the database and navigates back to the login page. So we're going to show both types of users. So we're going to start with a professor. So we already have a pre-registered user for a professor called Prerit. So we're going to use his account for the demonstration. Once I click on sign in, it goes to the particular user's homepage. So for a professor, the homepage is basically all the courses that he's taken he's going to take during the semester and all those which are scheduled for that particular day. So for today, which is Saturday, he has WAN and data modeling during these respective times. So if he wants to add any new course, he can click on the plus button on the top right corner. You just add the details such as course ID. Let's call it HSS 101. The course name, say it's called City. The marks is basically every professor can assign certain weightage of marks for the attendance in that particular course. So let us say he assigns 5 marks for attendance in his course. So he can also assign a threshold. Let us say 75. So the threshold here is basically everybody who gets above the threshold gets full attendance, and anybody who gets below the threshold, the amount of marks he gets for attendance will be proportional to the to his attendance. So then next comes the selection of the semester. You can add a new semester if it's not already existing. So let us call it fall 2015. And let us say it starts on 2015 0501 and goes up to 2015 1201. Once I click on add, the semester gets added to the database and it will get selected as the ongoing semester, but I'm going to add the semester to spring 2015. So additionally, you can add the schedule for that particular course. Let us say I schedule it at 3:30 p.m. on Fridays and Saturdays. So once I click on add, as you can see, it's shown in the activity. So you can add more days and at different timings if you want. So how many ever you want, you can keep adding. For now, I'm just going to keep one. So once I click on add course, it gets added to the database. As you can see, it says course added. Since City was offered on Saturdays also, it comes in today's courses too. So when you click on that particular course, you have various options. So let us say if I go to view course, the entire details of the course are visible. You can see the name, progress, the semester in which it's been taken, minimum attendance, maximum marks, schedule, etc. So again, I can delete the course if I want to. It asks for confirmation and I can just say yes. And the course gets deleted, and as you can see, it's no more visible in today's courses. So additional to view course, there's take attendance, which shows all the students that are enrolled for this particular course. So I can just select all those that have attended today's class. So let us say Pratik Bansal is not attending today's class. I don't check his checkbox. So once I click on mark attendance, basically the attendance for that particular student gets incremented by 1, and the total courses also get incremented by 1. So there's another option called cancel class, which on selection basically cancels the class, so decrements the total courses in the database, and also sends a mail to all the students saying the class for today has been cancelled. So other than that, you can view all the courses that I'm teaching for this particular semester. So if I click on my courses, these are all the courses, not just the courses that are there for today. These are basically all the courses that I'm teaching during this semester. So I click on the course, again the details of the course come. So this is all about the professor side of the application, so I'll just log out. Now let's move on to the student side of the application. So I've already have a pre-registered student called Haripriya with the email ID hp@gmail.com and password 123. So I click on sign in. Again, I move to the home page. So the home page for student is sort of similar to the professor, but there's slight difference. For example, just like professor, it's going to show the course as well as the time. But additionally, there's an option for showing the lectures left. Lectures left is basically the amount of lectures left in the entire semester. So there are about 3 lectures left in data modeling. The bunks left is basically the number of bunks that are safe, above the threshold, how many bunks you can. So for example, in Van, she has 6 bunks left, which means she can bunk 6 classes and still get full attendance, whereas in data modeling, she has bunked beyond her safe number of bunks. So again, you can enroll for a course. So enrolling for courses basically asks for a semester. So if I click on Spring 2015, it shows all the semesters that various professors are offering, all the courses that the various professors are offering during that semester. So let us say she wants to enroll for network sciences for the web. I just click on that and that gets added. Since it's not scheduled for today, you can't see it in today's courses. So if I click on the course, basically it shows the course details that says name, progress, my attendance, my marks that I have for attendance in that particular course, and the schedule for that course. Additionally, I can go see all the courses that I'm enrolled to in my courses. So here's the new course that we have added, CSDS 605. So if I want to delete the course, again I select that course and I click on the delete button and it asks for confirmation, and if I press yes, it just deletes the course from the database. So yeah, this is basically what our application is all about. Hope you had fun going through the video. Thank you.